Hi guys, in this video lecture, I'm going to discuss how to import text file in Power BI. So let's open this place Power BI, and here I'm going to import this text file EMP text. Okay, so this you can get when you open the Power BI. So here let's click get data from different sources. So they're going to select the text option. Click on this connect. Then from this place you can select your uh, data file. Let's use raw data emp txt file. So file is now importing. This is the data is there, and this comma separated. You should select the meaningful delimiter. So if I give semicolon, this is not meaningful. Let's use the comma separated. So this here head is column, and these rows are there. So here you can select based on entire data set or 200. So thereafter, simply you need to click on this load. So here this is loading inside this Power BI EMP text file. So 14 rows are there. Thereafter, let's go on this EMP, selecting here debit number. So making the check on this debit number, let's use this option. Let's use their salary. So sum of salary department wise, that's display. Let's make that little bigger. Then after the next is let's include the job also. So job. So now you can see salesman has 6K, president has this, analyst sales. This all displaying there. After that here you can see table view, this here model view, this here tags. There you can write the queries. Now the next is if I go on this get data. So here you have the option text. So let's use there another text file. T20 txt. So here this is 20. So I was used load. Now you can also use their transform data. So when you click on this transform data, here Power Query editor that's open there. From this place you have the different option to perform any kind of operation on this table. Suppose if you want to keep the top rows. So only two are there. Let's keep only one. So one rows that's displayed. Like this, you can remove, split, group by. Many options are available. So this is how we can import here text file in Power BI. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now this video is over. So thanks for watching. See you next week. Thank you.